Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Rusty Toolbox, unboxing and installing a new Catted Downpipe for this final piece of the Stage 2 Plus COBB tune on the 335i. Here we go. Alright, here's the last box. It also has a really fun warning on the side. I love that. This product contains parts that will make your car more fun. Well, let's see. I already cut this thing, so we got something wrapped in foam. Feels like a catalytic converter. And then in manila. Ooh, this is nice, fancy. I feel like I just accepted some kind of secret mission. Granted, no secret mission, unless you consider what I'm about to do a secret mission. Stickers, license plate frame, and then some bolts. I'm assuming those are gonna go in here on the outlet side. And then here's the inlet side that goes into the back of the turbo housing, exhaust housing. So that's exciting. Beautiful welds. Looks great. Love the look of this unit. Look at that, even got their name on it. Thanks, COBB. Well, this is going to get very hot and steamy and hopefully give me some more horsepower. Let's go jack up the car and take the old one out. Okay, welcome to the underside of the car. So, been busy, but using two hands. So I got rid of, took off the hanger over here for the exhaust. So you can see the bracket there. That's holding the Catted downpipe here in place. To that bolt right there, but that's hooked onto that bracket. So this really, in theory, should be loose. Now I just got to get the V-band unclipped up there. Can you see it? Yeah, like right up there. Get that V-band done. And then oxygen sensors unplugged, which are somewhere. Find them. Anyway, I'm making progress. Not much room under here since I don't have a lift, but we're making it happen. So it's been a weird couple days. Been wrenching and tugging and disconnecting everything underneath the car. Finally got this out. So here's the stock Catted downpipe. This from here is the V-band that connects up to the exhaust manifold down to the cat, and then dual pipe out. We've got your upstream black oxygen sensor, downstream gray oxygen sensor. Because I don't know if it's because this is an all-wheel drive or what, but there's no space down there. And I was wrestling with the exhaust and with this unit. Finally was able to get access to the top, so I could just disconnect these from the top. Now we're going to work on getting these O2 sensors out. Put some penetrant on them for a little bit. Maybe take a blowtorch to them as well. Other thing, I was working on my 540i, and I unscrewed the radiator cap from the expansion tank to let off a bunch of pressure because I was getting a low coolant warning. And just a couple clicks in, the thing burst, shot into the air, geysered a bunch of steaming hot coolant everywhere, including up my jacket sleeve, which caused me to, it doesn't look that interesting, but second-degree burns from my wrist to my elbow, my right arm. probably shouldn't really be out here, but I really wanted to get this done because I got a new key, because I'd lost my key. Got a new key, and really want to take it for a drive, make sure all these mods work. So I'm out here finishing up. Finally got this dang thing off. So now time to remove the oxygen sensors, put them on the new unit, get that one in. It's going to be much easier. It's smaller. It's a more narrow unit. Doesn't have all these tabs, like hanging tabs on here and here to mount. And anyway, it should be much easier going in, hopefully. You know, we'll see. My only concern is reattaching that V-band because it's way up there, and it's sort of in the middle between coming at it from the top and from the bunker, so or from the bottom. So wish me luck. Let's get these oxygen sensors off. All right, old downpipe, old cat downpipe dead. New one in. So gray is downstream, so that means gray is going in here. Get that started, so don't forget. Black upstream. Connect these, and hopefully putting it back together is an easier process. All right, so I finished buttoning up everything on the top end, putting the intake back together. This clip is down in there somewhere, and I hope that it falls out at some point. But I'm not gonna go fishing for it because my right arm is totally blistered and gross. So just gotta tighten this down here. Booyah. Intake is all set. It does feel a little loose, but maybe that's just, it's still not really in there tight. Let me see. I wonder why that's not good. You know how these things go. Well, it's all lined up. Well, that's weird. No, we'll just get it as tight as it should. Honestly, it's not. It's not totally critical that it's super tight. Everything else is good. Should be buttoned up back in place. I didn't connect the exhaust yet, so if you look down here, you will see the exhaust there is hanging off of the catalytic converter. I've got the gaskets and everything ready. Here's the hardware. Honestly, I just wanted to start it and hear it without the exhaust just once to see how loud it is and be that annoying guy. But I got a new key. They said at the dealership to just put it in. Oh, that's very loud. Very loud. Any check engine lights? No? That means we did it! Success! So, just gonna give it one little blip. Oh, listen to that. You can hear the turbo spool. Ooh. I kind of like the way that sounds. I'm not gonna leave it, but I'm actually gonna turn it off. Oh, that feels so good. All right, new key. Oh, it's not like hooking, it's not locking. I wonder, oh, maybe it's because I'm like in the car. Let me see if this actually works. Because the first key I got didn't actually lock the car either. Hold on. Well, maybe I have to like leave it in. I had to have it sync up for longer, but all good. I'm gonna hook up the exhaust, back up the exhaust, and finally, I feel like my work here is done. Gonna get this thing registered. We'll get it all emission checked, and then we'll go to the stage 2 tune on there. So thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe. See you guys later.